All right, thank you for being part of this great experience. In this learning, we are going to teach you how you can design a website, a dynamic website within 5 days, okay, and approximately of 2 hours per day for the program, okay. So, and the program is starting on the will be starting on the 29th of this month. Okay, so and if you are not starting with us immediately, no problem, you are welcome. You can actually take um, your training online at any time, any day. Okay, so during these 5 days, we are going to teach you, how you can start, by setting up a local server. And also on the first day, we are going to teach you how you can create your first website. So at the end of the first day, you will have been able to create some. Okay, so that is that. Then on the second day, we train you how you can set up a template, so which is you can change the template to another template. So what we mean by template is the way the site is being designed and arranged. Okay, just compare with our own websites here. Okay, the arrangements and whatever. So we teach you how you can change the templates and how you can add other extensions. So other extensions are like, for example, this is a social media extension. This is a menu. How you can add menu. How you can add form to your site. How you can create a slideshow. How you can add, logos and every other thing. So on the second day, we'll be talking about that. So on the third day, we are going to teach you how you can add your web pages. So these are some of what I mean by web pages. Different web page with different information in it. Okay, so we are going to train you how you can do that. Then how you can create a menu, like all these guys here are menu. Then how you can set up the home page. The home page is actually the front page of your site. So when people actually contact your website, let's say justdigital.com.ng, for example, to take you to the home page. All right. So on the fourth day, we are going to do a general review. If you have been able to successfully do this, you will have successfully created your own dynamic website. So we'll do a general review, and we look at. We can also, of course, we are going to allow you to go online, look for a beautiful website, and try to redesign that kind of website. So it helps you to, strengthen your hands. Okay. Then on the fifth day, we are going to teach you how you can actually launch your website online, how you can zip, export, and upload the site from your local host here. Okay. So from the local host or the local server is the software. Okay, you can see from here how we call local host. So the local host is going to be controlled by these software. Okay, so all these software are available for free online. Okay, so just go to our page. Just go to our page. Okay, from here, that's here. This is the Joomla. This is the templates. These are other extensions, and here we link you to where you can download the XAMPP file. So when you are installing your XAMPP file, if you want to install other version of XAMPP file, we recommend that you go for this version. Okay, it's very easy and you can control how you are going to install it. Okay, so on that day one is going to be free. Okay, so you will get a day one training for free, and for you to continue the training from day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, you are going to pay 2,000 naira. Okay, so you can make use of our online payments this. Okay, so you can use this, or you can do a bank transfer. Okay, so after the bank transfer, you can use this link to contact us so that we can create your username and password. So if you pay online, it's going to, after you have successfully made your payment, it take you to a place where you can input the username and the password of your choice. Okay, so what that is going to allow you to do is that, because by the time you get to the page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, you will not be able to have access to training material without your unique login details. Okay, and sharing of unique login details is not allowed. So if you are caught, you will be banned for participating in this program. Okay, so training starts on the 29th, and if you are not starting with us on that day, no problem. you can start your day one on the day that you start, which means that you can participate in the program anytime, any day, and any month or year. Okay, in as much as you still have all this information online, you can access them, each time you want to. Okay, so this training is going to be exciting. Okay, so we are going to have all our training materials, okay, we are going to have all our training materials available, in different formats. We are going to have the ebook, which is going to have the step-by-step. So each of the day, the ebook contains the step-by-step by which you can be able to create your website. It's going to have a video tutorial like this one that you are watching now, and it's going to have an audio version of the ebook where we just read out what we have on the ebook. So you can use this material alongside when you are creating your own website. You can be listening to it while you are setting up and designing your website. So all the softwares are free. So visit our download page and download your software, get it ready, and so that you can be able to use it on that day to start, create your own website. All right. So the day 1, the day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, all the materials are going to be available. And if you look at each of these pages, they are going to be a question and answer section on each of the page below, so you can use the question and answer. So if you hit this, it's going to open the Facebook page, this particular post, on the next tab, so that you can use it to send in your question and answer. So officially, for this training, the training crew will be live. They are going to be on the website and on the social media to be able to take your question and answer, which is going to be the period of 11 and 1 a.m. in the afternoon. So after that, you can always drop your question and answer, and we will answer them as quick as possible. So this training material, what you have here, you are going to use it to start the training. Okay, so you make use of all the materials. Now, before I round up this video, I also want you to know that while you are going to take this training, please make sure that you have your writing book, and the pen with you, so that by the time you'll be watching the video tutorial, you'll be able to be writing down, what we'll be talking about, what we'll be explaining to you. You write them down as the flow goes, and after you complete your video training, you can pause and play, as you go along. Then the ebook is there for you. You can also use it to guide, rewrite, and complete your book. Okay, what you mean, which step you not write, and let me tell you the secret about writing. It's very essential that you write, okay? Because when you write, it's an equivalent. When you're writing on the book, it's an equivalent of writing what your eyes is seeing in your mind, so that it will be stick in there. It gives you more understanding. Okay, so have a writing book and pen with you as you watch the video tutorial. Make jot down things that we'll be explaining, and use the ebook to complete and compare what you've written so far. And then when you are trying to practice your own steps, you can while doing that, make use of your book and your audio book, and be listening to what we are saying, and you can continue to do that. Okay, so for the day 2 to day 5, you have to pay 2,000 naira, all right, so that you'll be able to have access, because without the payment, you will not have we will not create a username and password for you to be able to access the day 2 to day 5 material. So immediately after the first training of day 1, and you like what you've learned so far, and you want to further the training, you can make use of the online payment. So when you click this, it takes you to where you can fill in your payment details using your ATM card. It's secured. We are using Paystack. It's one of the secure and best online payment company here in Nigeria. Okay, and if you don't want to do that, you can make use of bank transfer, just deposit the 2,000 naira and make use of this link to get in touch with us. So immediately we confirm your payment, we will forward your login details to you so that you can continue the day 2 to day 5 program. Okay, thank you. As we proceed, God bless you.